Hello again, guys, and welcome to another quick little video. Wanted to say a couple things first before we get right into it. Thank you guys for your patience with these video uploads. I am finally at the end of work, or my work season, I guess. Also, apologies for the whole kind of November set limbo that's going on. It's totally blank except for this right now. We're working on getting some Christmas stuff in here, trust me.
We? Who's we? There is no we.
Hopefully by next video. Hopefully next video will be the set decorating one, right? But anyway, the actual content of this video. I got a package. Now this was sent from some lovely folks over at Horrible Things Film Club. Now I discovered them over on Instagram. And they recently did a giveaway, or a prize package giveaway, for the new Smile movie, Smile 2. And I was one of the lucky winners. Now I believe this was in partnership with Paramount. They were tagged on the post, so thank you to them as well, in the event that they were a part of it. I'm not actually sure what's inside of here. I didn't really see any pictures. So there could be a smile curse in here or something. So the smile monster could just kind of crawl out of here. But we'll see.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
So I got my little flower petal. That's now a icon in and of itself on this channel. All right, dig in. All right, so right off the bat, we got some stickers here. Oh, or I think they're stickers. Let's see. All right, little QR code that you guys can scan. I mean, I'm just going to put the link to the Horrible Things Film Club in the description there. I'm also going to put a link to the soundtrack for Smile 2 because it's awesome and I've been listening to it since I saw the movie. But yeah, I think this is a sticker pack. Or, oh no, they're micro posters. Oh, this is awesome because I can't read. I cannot read. Micro movie posters. All right, so awesome. Here, I'll just show them all off to you. My ring light's gonna not screw it up. Suspiria, there we go. They're all like, you know, proper cardstock too. They're not just like printed paper. So, yeah. That's awesome. And then they actually got, like, info on the back and QR codes. So it's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright, and then we got, I guess, some candy. Take your pick. Could have used this when I went and saw the movie. Alright. Ooh. Alright, here we go. We have a Sky Riley, I guess, hat here. Am I a future disaster? These are the lyrics from Blood on White Satin. Am I a future disaster? It's waiting to happen. It's waiting to happen. Actually, this hat goes super hard. Bro, if I didn't want to destroy this thing, I would totally wear this every freaking day. Here, there. Here, hold on, let me bump it down a notch. There we go. Am I a future disaster waiting to happen? So, yeah. You know what? Just leave it on for the rest of the video. Alright, and then we got... Let's see. This seems to be a poster for Smile 2. It's the last thing we'll see. So this will probably go up in the background here during one of my rotations because if you don't know, I'm planning on rotating the set. You probably don't know because you're not living in my mind. I'm planning on rotating the stuff that I put up in the set I'm gonna do a whole set video come January, so you'll see that. But yeah, so let me get the contents here. Pretty cool prize pack. I just wanted to open it on camera for you guys. I felt like it was appropriate. Give them a little shout out and everything. So yeah, so I'll put their Instagram in the description. I'll put the soundtrack in the description as well, so you guys can go listen to it. You seriously need to. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check them out on Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.